All right, another day of computer science. Pretty simple stuff today. Relational operators, detecting ranges. Relational operators, detecting ranges. Is there something else? Relational operators. That is... we talked about equality operators and relational operators. They all output Boolean values. That's 6 of them. You got equals, not equals, less than equal to, greater than equal to. So those are relational operators, detecting ranges. And there's something else. Operator chaining. And so when you have a chain of operations, it essentially, it computes the first pair, the first relationship, as true or false. If it's false, it just ends and the whole thing is false, the whole chain. If it's true, then it will go to the next pair, calculate those, or determine those, that value. If it's true, it'll continue. First, false, ends. If they're all true, that's true. The thing, you can kind of see how the operator chaining works through if you have 3 or 2 not equals, so you have A doesn't equal B does not equal C, A and C can actually be the same, because if A does not equal B, that's true, then it checks if B does not equal C, and if that's true, technically A and C can be the same number or same value. So that's gives you a little bit understanding how the interpreter is interpreting and actually moving through the operator chain. So that's it for now. I'll talk to you later today.